In this video, we will demonstrate how a stapler circumcision is done. So first, before doing the circumcision, we need to choose the right size of stapler using this measuring scale. The penis is inserted through one of these holes, and whichever hole permits the penis freely up to the coronal sulcus will be the correct size of the stapler for that particular patient. So here the sizes start from 12 and up to 34 as you can see. So this is the stapling device. It consists of two parts. One is the outer firing device which consists of the cutter and the silicone ring with the stapler. And the other one is the inner glans shield which is used for protecting the glans while firing the stapler. As you can see here, the rod with the glans protector. So first we give a small dorsal slit and insert the gland shield and protect the glands completely. So here we apply hemostats to the prepuce and stretch it and tie the distal prepuce. So before doing the stapling, we should make sure that all adhesions are released and the prepuce is fully retractable. Otherwise, the stapler circumcision cannot be done. So this is a case of recurrent balanitis. So the prepuce was easily retractable. So we are applying multiple hemostats over the prepuce and stretching it so that the distal prepuce can be tied. Here we are using the tag given along with the stapler to tie it tightly over the rod of the glans protector so that it doesn't slip off. The excess tag will be cut. Now once the gland shield is applied, we remove the hemostats and place the outer piece containing the staples over the rod of the gland shield and align it with the inner gland shield. Once we decide the amount of prepuce to be cut and the instrument is aligned with the gland shield, we tighten the screw. So before firing the stapler, we should make doubly sure that the glans is completely covered by the protecting device and we are stapling only the prepuce and not any part of the glans. So now the staple is fired and it is kept in this position for around 40 seconds so that the prepuce is cleanly cut and sealed with staplers at the same time with absolutely no bleeding. So this is a very quick procedure when compared to the conventional circumcision. It takes hardly less than 5 minutes. Now the screw is loosened and the outer device is removed along with the gland shield. Here you can see the silicone ring with the staple line causing a precise cut in the prepuce. This is the excised prepuce. This is the final appearance with absolutely no bleeding. Thank you.